Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you could download unlimited leads from our updated Apollo extension. So once you download your Apollo extension, please go ahead and do a proper search. So before you go ahead and do a search, I suggest you to go ahead and create a layout where the system would be able to show you the email address. So basically, whenever you are in the search bar and try to search any data, it won't show you the data until unless you create this layout. So you could see I have created a layout already, but if you don't have your own layout, you could just simply go ahead and click on new layout and select the columns you want. So you could see I've already selected email and phone number. If I want to just move this email first column, if you don't have that email, you could just select contacts and you'll find the all other columns which are required. So once you're done, please go ahead and click on next and give it a name and save it. So I've already saved it. I'm not going to save it again. Now let's go ahead and jump into the saved list. So before we go ahead and do a search, we'll have to go ahead and create a list. So for example, you are searching for SaaS companies. For example, you're going to create SaaS and then save. So now you created a list. Now you could go ahead and click on people and start putting your keywords and other filters you wanted to use in order to do your search. So you could see I have used a lot of filters over here and also keywords, and you could see I've saved around 1.7k leads from my search. So once you have all the search data here, you could go ahead and select that data and move that data to the created list. So you could just go ahead and select on all, and if you're using a free version, you could select 25 contacts at a time. Otherwise, if you have a paid account, you could select all the contacts at the same time and simply click on list and click to add to list. Once you click to add to list, the emails would be visible so that you would be able to start scraping that list. Let me click on add to list. Now all these contacts are getting moved to the list. So let me go ahead and click on lists, click on SaaS list 1. You can see there are about 25 records saved in it already. So once you open this list, then you would be able to see the contact email address or phone number which are generally hidden in your search bar. So you could just scroll towards the right side. You'd be able to see their details, like for example their phone number and email address. So once you have this data visible, then it's time for you to use the extension in order to scrape the data. So you could simply click on this extension and select any time in between the pages you want. So I suggest you to keep it 15, otherwise you could just move it to 10 seconds and then give it a name and then click on scrape. So as soon as you click on scrape, the data would be scraped for you and put it in this format so that you could simply click on download CSV. So this way you'd be able to download as much as data you want. And before you download any data, make sure you create lists like this and save all the relevant data. For example, I've got this list which is digital marketing niche data. So I've got around 1600 contacts saved in it. So if I want to go ahead and download this data, I could simply go ahead and open this list, and once the data is loaded, I could simply use this extension. So now you could see I'm just simply clicking on this extension and it just found 1611 contacts in 65 different pages. So I could simply change the timestamp I want and give it a name. Let me give it digital marketing and click on scrape. So here we go. You could see the progress bar started. So it will take about 5 to 10 minutes because I've got 65 pages. But yes, based on the size of the data you have, you would be able to scrape this data and download it into a CSV file. So if you have any more questions, please do mention them in the comments, and also give a like and subscribe so that I could make more videos.